Hi, everyone. Today, I'm gonna show you simply how to successfully upload a video to YouTube using both your PC or your mobile phone. A friend of mine is wondering and asked me how I uploaded my video and requested a tutorial on how to upload on YouTube. But before we get started, remember to click that red button and subscribe to the How to Basic, where you'll find useful ways or answers to your questions in mind, and basic how-to videos like this one, and find solutions in any questions you might have. So, this is the proper and the right way to upload a video, and guide you all the way in accordance with YouTube policy. Without further ado, so let's jump right in and get started. First thing to do is to sign into YouTube. So, on the upper right corner, you can go ahead and sign in. Fill up your Google account email and log in. You need to have a Google email in order to have a YouTube account, especially if you want to link your YouTube into AdSense in order for you to monetize your YouTube channel. I will show you in another video tutorial how to sign up for Google in order for you to have a Gmail account. Okay, guys, now that we've logged in, on the YouTube page right beside your account's profile icon, you're going to find an upload button up here. Go ahead and click the upload button. Okay, now it will show you right here is where you need to click on the given red button with your files from your library or from your desktop or wherever location your video can be found, and it will start to upload your chosen video. Initially, keep it private first, until you have read all the information right. And now, while it is uploading, you're going to fill up, right now. Basically, the title is the most important thing, and the description of all the information related to the video, and fill up the tags, where people can search you. You'll need to spend time to choose the right title, or topic, what the audience are gonna be looking for. Let's go ahead now to write my title here. Now, as I already filled it up, on the description, usually the first paragraph or sentence, are the most important texts. It should be strong. Tags are so necessary that you need to write the appropriate words. On the privacy settings, initially, keep it private first, until you have read all the information right. Make sure the category is still the same, depending on the content of your videos. Don't forget also to add this on the playlists, on the lower right, but on other desktop, it can be on the upper right. Click Add to Playlist. Just check the box. So, we'll go ahead and specify your location and date when you've actually recorded. Processing all of this, you can choose your thumbnail that you like. So, go ahead and click any custom thumbnail, or you can create your own, and upload your photo here, that you'd like people to see first on your video. As soon as everything's been done, before publishing your video, it is extremely important to double check your work, and change your privacy settings from private to public, and click on Save. Your upload depends on the length of your video, and how fast is your connection of the internet provider. So until here, and that's how you upload it. If you have any questions about how to do it, feel free to post in the comment section below. If you've done this, or have enjoyed, please give me a thumbs up. And please click subscribe button if you want more tutorials about YouTube. See you next time, bye.